In today's video, I'm going to show you different ways on how to create a new folder on your Mac. The first thing you need to do is to go to the location you want to create a new folder. So you can either do this on your desktop or you can do it anywhere in your Finder. Once you are in the location, the first way of creating a new folder is by highlighting all of the files you want to be inside of that folder. Once you've done this, you want to right click or go into the context menu, and then you want to click on new folder with selection, and it will say the number of items in brackets. From here you can go ahead and rename the folder, and if we go inside that folder, all of our items are inside, just as expected. The second way of creating a new folder is again by going to the location, and then you want to click on this circle with the 3 dots inside of it, and once you're in the drop down menu you want to select a new folder, and again this is going to create a new folder where you can go ahead and rename it. The third way of creating a new folder on your Mac is very similar. So again you want to go to the location, and once you're in the location you want to click on File in the top left hand corner, and then you want to click on New Folder, and again you can go ahead and rename it. The third and final way to create a new folder, and this is the quickest way, is by using keyboard shortcuts. And the keyboard shortcut you want to use is Command Shift and N for November, and again you can go ahead and rename the new folder you have just created. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments you can leave them below.